Want to know how to access Account Center in Messenger? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your Messenger application, and once you have done that, you should be provided with this interface, chat interfaces right here. So on the bottom right side, you should be seeing menu. So once you have selected menu, here you should be seeing various options. So on the top, you should be seeing settings that should be right below your profile. Just simply select settings. And now once you have selected settings, just scroll all the way down until you see Account Center. So Account Center should be on the bottom below safety. So once you've selected here, you should be seeing see more in Account Center. Just simply select see more in Account Center. And here a new window should open up of your Account Center in Meta, where you can just simply see your accounts, password details, where you are logged in, and much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you access Account Center in Messenger. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.